Hello iPhone users, so to put timer we know from where we do, right? We just go to the clock option app and then we tap on the timer, right? But there's a quick tip that I want to give you here and you should know it. Once you slide down by sliding to the right side and getting this thing on, you get there is an option of timer there, that is a clock, right? You tap on it and you can see directly. You can select the time you want it to be, right? This is the timer. You can resume from here, you can start from here, you can select for how long you want the timer to be, right? And if you want to go to the timer of clock area, you just tap on the plus sign there. So right now I just back off to do it, but you can just tap on the plus sign and then you will headed to the clock app where the timer etc will be visible and where more options are available. But for a quick thing, you can do it from here right away. It is not in your control center controls, which is also called quick action buttons. Then you should check other video from the channel to know from where you can add it, right? See you in the next video and check the previous video. Tada!